So hi everyone, thank you for joining me once again here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. We're gonna go ahead and get started with another video. The painting that I did last video is still drying, so I can't show it to you today. Maybe in my next upcoming video. I am gonna be working on these little bone tags. So I'm gonna do my blowout and I am gonna go ahead and personalize it. These are four commission pieces I have for this. The bone blank, it's a wood blank. Let's measure and see how big it is. It's 8.5 inches long. So this is a beautiful gift for the pet lovers. So we're going to be working on this. I'm going to do one first. If we have time, we'll get to the second one. Let's go ahead and get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so here we are. We're doing one in blue with shades of blue, one with shades of pink. So I'm going to go ahead and flood the canvas. The base on the first color, this one right here, is Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. The shade on this one is like a kind of bluish color. It was a mix I picked up from my table. So I don't know what this is, but that's the color I'm using, and I'm using that with shades of pink. I'm hoping that that works. And because it's such a small piece, it is gonna come over the border, so I'm not gonna blow it out with the hair dryer because it's gonna fall down. So I'm just gonna kind of like tap to cover. It's a small canvas or a small surface I'm working with, so definitely when I blow it out, it's gonna come over. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and layer my colors. So my first color is Winsor Blue by Winsor and Newton. Before I do that, let me torch out these air bubbles coming to the surface. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead with Winsor Blue by Winsor and Newton. And I'm just gonna kind of, right? Because I want to blow that out. Next is Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. My next color is Pearl Sapphire Blue by Arteza. Love that color. And it's coming out of my bottle. It's just squirting out. Okay. Next I have 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. Light-handed with this one, you know how this one works. Okay. Next color I have mixed here is Sapphire by TLP. Okay. Beautiful, rich color. And I don't have it in a squeeze bottle, so I'm just kind of like, okay. And my last color is Pearl Waterfall Blue by Arteza. Maybe too many colors for this small piece, but we shall see what happens. Okay. All right, so that's that canvas. We're gonna go ahead, blow this one out, then we'll come to this one. So let's torch it out. And we are using the hair dryer. So let's begin. I don't see my gold, but I'm gonna let it develop. And I'm gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so let's go on. I'm gonna use this. Let me move these colors out of the way. And you can see the cells coming up. I love how it's forming over here. I like the combination. So I don't see my gold anywhere. All right, so let me move these colors over back to that side. Now we're gonna work with this one. For that one, I'm gonna show you the colors I have. So I have, okay, hold on, let me bring those over because I said those are pinks. We do need some 24 karat gold in here. All right, so for this one here, we have Show Pony by TLP. Look how rich and beautiful that color is. So Show Pony. And we're doing the same. No rhyme or reason for this. It's just trying to get it on the canvas here. All right. My next color is Pearl White by Amsterdam. Let's kind of brighten it up a bit. Next I have Luminous Violet by Holbein. I'm running out of this one, so maybe I'll get a couple of squirts in here. Okay, so I am going to clean it up a bit. I see the gold in this. I'm going to clean it up a bit. I'll come show you, and then I'll do the second part and show it once it dries, okay? So we'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so here is the first one, and look how gorgeous this turned out. I added a little bit of the 24 DecoArt right in the center there and up here. But look how rich, how beautiful those colors are. I can't wait to see this dry. Love it. Love the composition. See? Beautiful. And then here's the second one. Love it. That's my favorite part right there. Look at those clusters. Love that hint of the 24 karat gold throughout that you can see blanketing the surface. Love the cells. Love the color palette. Look at the stream flowing down through the center. And again, we get to these corners on the bone and look how gorgeous. Just beautiful, subtle. Tell me which of the two you like. I love them both. Thank you for joining me here at Floor Arts by Elsa. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for welcoming me back. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining. Bye.